In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block pop-ups on DuckDuckGo browser. By the end of this video, you'll have pop-ups and unwanted redirects blocked in the DuckDuckGo browser using its built-in privacy setting. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser. On your screen, locate the DuckDuckGo icon and launch it. Wait for the browser homepage or any tab you last had open to load. If you already have the browser open, you're ready to continue. Next, click the menu, which looks like 3 dots. You'll typically find this 3-dot icon at the top or bottom corner of the browser window, depending on your device. Go ahead and click or tap it to open the browser menu. You should see a panel with options like New Tab, Bookmarks, and Settings. Now, select Settings. In the menu you just opened, look for the Settings option and click it. This takes you to the main settings screen for DuckDuckGo, where you can adjust features that affect privacy and browsing behavior. Give the page a second to load if needed. From here, go to Privacy. On the settings screen, scroll if necessary until you see the Privacy section, then open it. This area controls protections that keep your browsing safer and cleaner, including things like tracking protection and content blocking. Once you're in Privacy, find pop-ups and redirects. Scroll through the privacy options and look for the item labeled pop-ups and redirects. This is the control that manages whether websites can open extra windows or push you to other pages without your input. If you don't see it immediately, scroll slowly so you don't miss it. At this point, turn block pop-ups on. Tap or click the switch next to pop-ups and redirects to enable blocking. When it's on, the toggle will show as active, usually highlighted or moved to the right, indicating that DuckDuckGo will now block most pop-up windows and stop automatic redirects. This change takes effect immediately. You don't need to restart the browser. Take a moment to confirm the setting is on before you leave this screen. If you accidentally tap twice, it could switch back off, so look for the active state one more time. Turning this on is safe. It won't delete your data or affect your bookmarks. It simply prevents intrusive windows and redirect behavior while you browse. That's all you need to do. You opened the DuckDuckGo browser, clicked the 3-dot menu, selected Settings, went to Privacy, found pop-ups and redirects, and turned block pop-ups on. From now on, the DuckDuckGo browser will actively block most pop-ups and stop unwanted redirect attempts, giving you a cleaner, less interrupted browsing experience. If you ever need to allow pop-ups temporarily, you can return to this same setting and toggle it back off. Then come back and enable it again when you're done. Your DuckDuckGo browser is now set to block pop-ups and redirects, and the protection is active. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.